5 Best Camera Cleaning Kits. Number 5. UAS VSGO DKL7 30 ml Screen Cleaner, 15 ml Lens Cleaner, 5 PCS Microfiber Cleaning Cloth, 3 PCS Sensor Cleaning Swabs. The lens cleaner is specially formulated, lint-free during cleaning process. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 4. Ritz Gear Premium. Premium kit includes lens cleaning pen system, high-quality lens brush, .50 sheets lens tissue paper. Lens pen can clip to your shirt. Made in the USA cleaning fluid. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 3. Delkin Sensor Scope 3. Sensor Scope, 5x magnification. Easy and precise inspection. Unlike blowers that move dust around. Sensor safe wands, clean oils. Double-sided wicked sensor wands. Comprehensive guidebook. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 2. Optica Professional. Effectively clean your camera lens. Any other delicate electronics. Removes dust, fingerprints. Grease spots and other smudges. Contains no abrasives or silicones. Small design easily fits in any camera bag. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 1. Ultra Photo Professional. Absorbs and sweeps away invisible particles. Compatible with full-frame sensors. Safe for all electronics. Coated lenses and sensors. Protects all of the essential tools. Removes fingerprints from screens. Please check the description for detail and price.